Powder density is an important formulation parameter as it impacts, for instance, powder volume for capsules and sachet filling. Density is one of the main functionality-related characteristics of lactose, and it is directly linked to the granulometry, particle size distribution of the powder. Density of lactose powders are evaluated according to the European Pharmacopea, which contains methods for measuring bulk and tapped density. Bulk density is the density of fresh and loosely discharged powder. It is the ratio of the untapped powder mass and its volume expressed in grams per mil. Bulk density depends on both the density of the powder particles and on the arrangement of the particles. It is influenced by the preparation, treatment, and storage of the sample material. Bulk density is obtained by adding a known mass of powder to a graduated cylinder. The density is then calculated as mass over volume. Tapped density is the density after mechanically tapping the powder as described in the Pharmacopea method. The cylinder containing the lactose powder is placed onto a tapped density meter and tapped a set number of times as the method describes. The material level in the graduated cylinder is then measured and tapped density calculated. Flowability is linked to the PSD and the process. Sieved, milled, granulated, and spray-dried lactose exhibit different particle shape and particle size distribution. Good flowability eases the filling of powder into filling dies of tableting machines, capsule and sachet filling, or DPIs, and results in a low weight variation for formulations. Coarse particles flow better than fine particles. Spherical particles show better flowability than irregular shaped particles. Equally sized particles flow better than powders that contain a wide range of particle sizes. The ratio of tapped density and bulk density is called Hausner ratio and is related to the flow properties of the powder. A different way of calculating gives the Kars index. As seen in this table, both Hausner ratio and Kars index indicate the flow properties of the lactose powder. Flowability can also be measured using a test instrument called Flowdex. The determination of the flowability is based on the ability of the powder to fall through a circular opening in a disc after passing through a funnel. The flowability index is expressed in millimeter, corresponding of the smallest diameter of the opening that the powder will flow through. The smaller the dimension of the opening, the higher the flowability. Would you like to know more about Armor Pharma's lactose products, PSD, density, and flowability? For each product, all information is available, and the customization tool will help you finding the right product for your specific formulation project. Simply tell us, how would you like your lactose?